Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I have been looking for a few pieces of French country furniture for the new to us house that we moved into a few months ago. Specifically, I wanted a couple of French country bar stools, and I also wanted a French country coffee table that I could put in the living room. I was so amazed that I was able to find exactly what I wanted on Amazon. Let me show you what I found and how easy it was to put together. Of course, my husband did all the work putting that together, but you know, the easier the better, the more willing the husband is to do it, right? These arrived from Amazon, very nicely packaged with no damage. And really for the bar stools, there were only 3 pieces to assemble. The backs were already put together, so the only pieces my husband had to attach were just bolting the legs together and then bolting the seat on top of that. And you can see here how easy the assembly was. These have a really nice finish. They're very heavy and are made of solid wood from what I can tell. And in this description, they're described as wooden chairs. Some of the ones I looked at had a cane back and they were a little cheaper, but this came as a set of 2. The seat is 30 inches high, and then the back, I think the overall height is 46.5 inches. They're 21 inches deep and 18.5 inches wide. And then the seat material and back is linen. And I did spray these with a product similar to Scotchgard that I found on Amazon. This coffee table also seems to be solid wood. From everything I looked at when I examined it, the top seems to be solid wood, and then the legs as well, although the legs and the base are painted, so it's a little bit hard to tell. The assembly was fairly easy. Again, the bolts attach just the top to the legs, and then the middle piece attaching both legs together, so pretty simple. The size on the coffee table is 38 inches wide, 18 inches high, and 23 inches deep. And I noticed in these photos that I have some water stains on the edges of my sofa cushions from when I cleaned those recently, so I need to go back and redo those. If you would like to take a look at these on the Amazon site, I will put that link below in my description. And by giving this video a thumbs up, you will help trigger YouTube's algorithm to have this video pop up in more people's video feeds. So please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.